Hello, welcome to Learn Vectors. The topic for today, one of the most interesting topics of mathematics and real life. Yes, this topic is clean picture of real life and the things that we do in real life. If we want to sum the entire topic in 2 words, the chapter name is called as Permutation and Combination, but we will understand this as counting and logic. These are the only 2 words that we are going to use for the entire chapter. It's very interesting and you will see real life applications everywhere. So the 2 names, permutation and combination, sounds little daunting. Don't worry, they are very simple and logical, and all you have to do is apply the logic and keep counting. That's the only motive for the entire chapter. So before we get into what is permutation, what is combination, forget everything. Let's try to find out from where this chapter came into our syllabus. Everybody uses mobile phone, right? And we have a bad habit of trying to open the phone of our friend. So the password of your friend's phone is of 6 digits. You managed to check 4 digits, but for the last 2 digits, he was like, oh, why are you checking my phone? And you do not know the 2 digits. Problem, you want to open his phone and check his phone, but you don't know the 2 digits. Given that there are infinite number of trials that you can do on the phone and it doesn't get logged, you are good. So how many trials will you have to do? You must have thought about it. How many trials? Logic and counting. We will learn this in PNC chapter. When I say PNC, it's permutation and combination going forward. Let's take few more examples from the real life. Next example, again to do with phone. On the call, your friend gave you a number. You wrote it down quickly on your hand, but after 15 minutes, you notice that the last 3 digits are rubbed off. Big problem. Now, the only option left is keep guessing the number. So, do you know how much effort it will take? How many trials or how many attempts you have to make 3 digits missing? Answer to that question in this chapter. Let's take another example. Your dad's suitcase, the old school, remember the suitcase that had lock, 4-digit lock or 3-digit, whatever. So consider there is a 4-digit lock and your dad only remembers 2 digits. Last 2 digits, don't know. Answer about not the digits but the number of trials, the amount of effort that you will have to put in to get the actual code. All these real life examples are only dependent on what? Logic and counting. So let's start with counting.